Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you are new in my YouTube channel then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you are getting all the notification instantly, and make sure that you are learning English from my videos. And this is Iqbal Khandaker once again back with you in another new videos. And in this video I'm going to talk about the just random thing, and this video is for the purpose to making this video to learn English, to have some conversation. So right now where I'm walking, this is the village right now where I'm standing, and you can see in my back there are a lot of cows. The farmer is going back to his home with this cattle, with these animals, which is cow. And this is the pretty much beautiful place right now where I'm standing. You can see next to me it's a canal. In the two side of this road there is a beautiful canal, and these are the cow. Wow, a lot of cow here. And this sky is absolutely gorgeous. The sky has the breathtaking view here. And it's a long distance lake or canal which we can talk. So by how we have to practice, we have to make some sentences in our life if we are really interested to learn English. If you really up for to learn English, then wherever we are standing, wherever we are going, it may be any public place, any road, any village, or any kind of jungle or any lake, wherever we are staying, we have to make some sentences in English. And by how we'll learn this language very much easily. So what happens in our life that we are messed up to learn this language? We can't able to learn to speak in English. You know why? Because of we are not practicing just in a simple method. We are just getting the hard thing to learn English. We are reading a lot of books. We are completing a higher degree, but still we can't speak in English. So these are the problem. If we want to remove this problem, then we have to go through, we have to communicate, we have to make some sentences, we have to make some conversation in English. A miscellaneous way we can do, we can make some sentences since morning to evening. We are doing a lot of activities in our life. Maybe we are going to school and we are come back to school. In our school we read some books, and then we come back. Whenever we come back to our home, we complete our lunch, and in the afternoon time we go for playing in the field. We play cricket or football or whatever we choose to play. We play this type of game. In the evening we again come back and we become fresh. So by how you have to make some sentences in your daily life, and this is how you will be a great speaker in English. Whenever you will see that you know all the things in your daily work, then it will be pretty much easy for you to make sentences, to talk in English. So that is the tips which I am following to learn English. Hopefully you will apply it, and all those tips are pretty much easy. But it's also hard to speak in front of public place. You will feel a lot of hesitation. You will feel low. You will feel shy. You will be ashamed to make some sentences in front of public place. As you can see, that is going to be a crowded place where a lot of people right now working here, right now going over there. They are driving motorcycle, but still I'm continuing my practice. I'm making some sentences in English. So it's really a problem. For the very beginning of our journey, we will have to face these problems, these barriers, these obstacles, and that is why we have to work on that side. Like whenever we are not able to make some sentences in front of public place, then we have to try for 1,000 times, and one day it will be pretty much easy. It will be piece of cake to make English conversation or to make an English speech. So that's what you have to do. If you feel low, if you feel shy whenever you are in a public place, you are not able to make English conversation in a public place, in a road or in a crowded place, then you have to try a lot. One day you will be great, you will be fluent, you will be confident much more. So that is the tips for this video. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video too much, And thank you for watching these videos. If you think my video is helpful to learn English, then don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Bye.